Lying on your back on your mat, bend your knees, extend your right leg to the top of your mat, drop that left knee to the right side of your mat. Take a nice deep breath in. As you exhale, slowly raise that left knee, extend that left leg, and bend that right knee, drop that right knee to the left side of your mat. Breathe. As you exhale, extend both feet to the top of your mat, grab your yoga block, and place your block at the bottom part of your shoulder blades. Resting your head on your mat, lengthening your spine, bringing awareness to your breathing, giving yourself permission to let go. Gently rise, remove the block, bring yourself into hero pose on your knees. Take a nice deep breath and twist to the right side of your mat. Inhale, exhale, and twist to the left side of your mat. Gently bring yourself back to center. Bring yourself on all fours. Place your left forearm on your mat. Raise your right arm high to the sky. Gently drop your right forearm down to your mat. Then raise your left arm high to the sky. Gently pressing the floor away from you, bringing yourself onto your knees into hero pose. Raise your right arm up high, opening up the right side of your body. Inhale, exhale, switch to the left side, reaching that left arm up high, opening up the left side of your body. Slowly drop that left arm. Bringing yourself into our Cobra pose, extending your feet to the back of your mat, bringing your sternum forward. Take a nice deep breath in. Exhale, shift your hips back into hero pose. Bring your hands to the prayer namaste and give yourself gratitude for being here now.